video, and in today's video we will now do chemical experiments. This is an awesome one, and make sure to like and subscribe and also comment which video I should do next. Okay, let's start the video. So this is the gift my father bought me on my birthday, and today we will do the chemical experiments. Okay, now let me show the ingredients. Okay, now let's open this. So the first thing we see are the globes. These are small, but it will be big at one time. And these are the dropper. It is used to put some like liquids so that it goes in one place and does not go messy. These are the goggles. The goggles are used to protect our eyes from any chemicals. Next are this bunch of balloons. This is only used in some experiments but still useful in. The next one is the food coloring. This is used to put some color to things or do swirling effects. Next one are the small beakering and big beakering beaker. These are used to put water into something and measure it. Next are these two droppers. These are used to put like drops of something liquid. Okay. And the next one are these three spatulas. These are used to put that powder things into a plate or something. And the next one is baking soda. This is used in experiments and it is also dangerous, so don't misuse it. The next one is this sew string. This is used to tie something from a place. Okay. Next one are citric acid. This is also very dangerous and do not misuse it. Always take care of it. Okay. And finally, the instruction manual. This is used to do instructions for experiment and also shows the ingredients for the experiment. Okay. Now this is all done. Let's put it inside here. Okay. And then let's start our first experiment. Okay. And the first experiment is baking soda and citric acid. This is an experiment where if you put water in a beaker and also put baking soda and citric acid in the same time, it will create a fizzy reaction. Okay? And it also releases heat as carbon dioxide. So now I will show you the steps. Step 1. Take a big measuring beaker and make sure it is completely dry. So let's take it. So we have taken a big measuring beaker. It is completely dry. Okay. So the next step is add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the beaker. Okay. So we need baking soda here. Okay. So we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. So let's take some of it. sorry guys, I haven't put my gloves. So let me just take a time for a moment. So guys, I am now putting my gloves on. This will might take a while, but don't worry, I will do it soon. Okay? So now I am doing my second glove. Okay? I also have to put my goggles. So this might take a while. So guys, I have put my gloves on. So now we will now put our goggles. You know these goggles, yeah? So now we have put our goggles. Let's now resume. Okay? Now we have our baking soda. The next step is to put citric acid to the same beaker. Okay. So we have our citric acid. Okay. We are now opening it. This is so difficult to open, but we will do it. Hey, can you please open it? So the first man had opened this for me. Don't mind if I just take the spoon away. Now we will take the citric acid from it and just put it here. Okay? Now we will mix this too. So now we will mix. Why this is big? So these are now mixed. The next one is now take a small measuring beaker and fill it with 20 milliliter of water. Okay. Now let's take some water. Now we will pour it. See, this is always difficult sometimes. So let's get. Okay. We have now got our small water and now we will close this. Okay. We will put this aside. And now what this is, pour this big measuring with the citric acid and baking soda. See what happens. See? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! See what happened. Did you see? This is so signaling. See? Everyone see it. This is so fun. Let's add more. No, maybe. This is so much risky. See what happened to it. Okay, now let's just throw it and I will come into the next experiment. Okay, let's maybe not throw it, just for now. Let's put it here. Okay, now let's put it here. Now I will show you how it is done. See, when you add water to baking soda and citric acid, there is a fizzy reaction that takes place. In this experiment, citric acid and baking soda react to each other in the presence of water. In reaction of carbon dioxide is released, which is why the fizz is created. That means that if you put water in baking soda and citric acid, the baking soda and citric acid react with water. So it releases carbon dioxide as heat. This is why it creates a fizzy reaction. Okay? Now the next one we will do next time, but it will be so much fun. Okay? I will bring the things for it, but for now we will have to go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Okay? And comment which video I should do next. I will make a better one. So bye bye. Thank you.